Hola clase, and welcome to our first asynchronous day. You are going to be working at your own pace today and reaching out if you need help. Our I can for today is I can recognize cognates in Spanish, identify the main idea of a paragraph in Spanish, and pronounce cognates in Spanish. Now, this might seem like a lot at first, but the great thing is that today we are working on recognizing what we already know. So when we learn what a cognate is, hopefully this will help us feel a little bit more comfortable with learning Spanish this year. So let's take a moment to see what we're doing today. We're going to do our para empezar, which is just going to be a Google form on the next slide. And then we're recognizing what we already know in these cognate stations. Now, since these are on your own, that doesn't mean that you're completely alone. So do remember that you can reach out. And I also have some tips for you to make sure that these asynchronous days don't become overwhelming. So you're going to want to create a schedule for yourself to make it through the day, but also make sure that you're adding in breaks to avoid being burned out by the content. As you attempt to solve problems on your own, do remember that we are here to help you, and GChat is a great resource that you can use to reach out to your teachers as you go through the day. All right, so looking through our items, we have our para empezar, which we have a Google form here for you to fill out. And we are currently watching the video of the day. And then we have 5 stations that we're going through. We're going to watch an Edpuzzle, what is a cognate? You're going to do some listening practice in station 2, reading practice in station 3, speaking practice in station 4, and then we finally have a recap exit form. And along the way, wherever you get stuck, if you do get stuck, remember to reach out. So looking at station 1, we do have this Edpuzzle video. You're going to watch and answer a few questions as you go. And next station is our listening station. And for listening, you want to mentally prepare yourself. Listen to the audio as many times as you need. Read the script if you're provided with one while you listen. Pause as you go. And the audio will be in the form for you. Station 3 is our reading station. So you're going to read through the paragraph and identify as many cognates as possible, and then you're going to identify the main idea of the paragraph using the words that you identified. You will be identifying this main idea in English. So in English for that one. And then we have a speaking practice, and notice that this is an audio included slide. So you're going to be listening to the audio first to hear how to pronounce these words, and then you're recording your own response right here on Flipgrid. And then finally, you have your exit ticket, and then you will be done for the day. This is a final reminder that with Pear Deck, remember that it does save wherever you left off. So if you do take a break during your learning, you won't have to go back to the beginning. It will leave, once you reopen it, it'll come back to where you were. And there is my email address, that eniles@wellspringprep.com, where you should be reaching out via email or GChat if you have questions as you go. All right, good luck today, and please reach out as you go.